at that, guys. That's a view for you. Look at that. Hello my dear friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. So we came to Paderu yesterday evening and spent a night here by staying in a hotel. If you have not watched my previous videos, I'll link the video right here so that you can take a look and understand what's going on. So the time right now is 3:30 a.m. and the weather is 21 degrees centigrade. So it's all, fog right around us. So to utilize this weather, we are going to visit Vanjangi. So Vanjangi is a place where you would trek for 2 to 3 kilometers and you will end up at a viewpoint where you will see clouds forming like a sea. So I'm going to take you guys along with me and show you all the beauty right around this place. Alright, so let's go. As the night was at its steepest point, the mist took the advantage and spread all around the place. We started to Vanjangi as per the schedule because we were determined that we will not miss the tremendous view this time. Initially, we were uncertain about the view which we were anticipating to see, as it is not winter yet. It was getting cold and mist started to build, so much that my camera was struggling to focus. We could hardly see any road, let alone the direction boards, to reach Vanjangi. We felt like we traveled far, leaving behind the turn which would take us to the spot. Then we turned back and took another turn which was also doubtful. This concrete road was so narrow and steep that if we end up at a dead end, it would have been a great difficulty to even get back. But thankfully, it merged with another road. The moment we took the turn, we saw the direction board which advised to travel for 5 kilometers to reach Vanjangi. We kept traveling on this unknown road, not knowing its attributes. It was quiet around us. All we could hear was our car engine raging to climb the hills and gently spinning tires.
Take the next right, then slight right.
We took the lane as per the suggestion and got surprised. With much difficulty, we turned back. Once again, we were on the right track. Being on the correct route, we had to deal with damaged and uneven roads, overflowing creeks, but it was all worth at the end. All of a sudden, we entered into the kingdom of mist. This time, the mist was thicker than the one we passed through already. The mist disappeared as we climbed the hills, and that's when we realized that we are now above the layer of mist blanket which we were to witness from topmost point. Look at that, guys. That's a view for you. Look at that. Awesome. Alright guys, so we have reached Vanjangi viewpoint. It's quite an amazing place. I haven't been to a place like this in the past. So this is a very exciting moment in my life. Now this is what we have to walk right now. Just need to walk this so that we go to a point where we can see the sunrise.
Yep. Let's go.
Okay, so the route has become a bit tedious, so I'm going to walk for some distance and try to capture some nice footage. Just look at this place. What an amazing place. There are fields there and few there too. I believe it's paddy. So I was thinking like I would do a bike trip covering all these places: Paderu, Vanjangi, Vanakadilli, and Lamasingi. And there are quite a few waterfalls around, this place. So I think I'm going to do that. As the sun rose, mist started to melt, and we were glad that we made it this time and bagged a beautiful memory that will be cherished for our entire life. It was mind-boggling after seeing what we saw and to know how intelligent, how powerful God is. We are thankful to God for His boundless love and care.